Bangladesh Navy stands as the foremost guardian of the nation's seas, sworn to protect the sovereignty, territorial boundaries and maritime interests of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Forged in the 1971 Liberation War, Navy has evolved into a powerful, resilient and versatile force. Primed to defend nation's maritime boundaries, Navy has embraced modernization with a dynamic fleet of surface combatants, submarines, naval aviation and elite special force squads, enhancing its deterrent capability and global interoperability. Besides, the Explosive Ordnance Disposal Unit of Bangladesh Navy's Special Force is highly trained to detect, disarm and dispose of explosive threats on land, at sea and deep beneath the ocean's surface. These capabilities enabled Navy to protect our economic zones and ensure port security as well. Beyond national frontiers, Bangladesh Navy has earned distinguished acclaim on the international stage for its unwavering commitment to the United Nations peacekeeping operations. Since 1993, over 7,000 officers and sailors have served with honor in 29 UN missions, showcasing dedication, professionalism and a spirit of sacrifice. Navy's first contingent deployment occurred in 1997 when a boat section joined UNICOM to patrol the vital waterways along the Iraq and Kuwait border. Later in 2005, Bangladesh deployed its first independent force riverine unit to Sudan under UNMISS, a mission that continued with distinction till 2012. That same year, a boat detachment unit was deployed to Ivory Coast and operated for an impressive 11 years in the lagoons of Abidjan. In Mali, the Bangladesh Riverine Unit contributed significantly to MINUSMA from 2014 to 2015. Since 2010, Bangladesh Navy also contributed to maritime operations far beyond its shores when 2 Navy ships were deployed to the UN Maritime Task Force in Lebanon under UNIFIL. Today, BNS Shongram continues its mission in the Mediterranean Sea, which is a true testament to our operational reach and capability. Since 2015, our Force Marine Unit has been providing armed escort to UN-hired barges in South Sudan, ensuring vital humanitarian aid reaches its destination safely. Pioneering in gender inclusion, Navy deployed 54 female officers and sailors since 2009 in various missions, reaffirming the essential role of women in peacekeeping. Bangladesh Navy also pledged 6 units under UNPCRS, which are primed for deployment at a moment's notice. The illustrious journey of Bangladesh Navy under Blue Helmet has not been without sacrifice. 4 brave naval personnel have given their lives and 9 others have been wounded in the line of duty. Their valor shall forever be engraved in our collective memory. Bangladesh Navy remains ever ready to serve humanity, uphold peace, and carry forth the legacy of honor and sacrifice. Bangladesh Navy, in war and peace, invincible at sea.